From a black base coat, paint the entire robe Mephiston red. Glaze the shallow and deep recesses using thinned corn red. Glaze just the deepest recesses with thinned Galva borax red. Pick out only the deepest recesses, so any holes or anything in the cloth with wildwood contrast. For the first highlight, pick out most of the robe with Evil Sun Scarlet, just leaving the recesses darker. Paint a thinner edge highlight with Wild Rider red. Also pick out the edges of any tears. Pick out the sharper folds only with Fire Dragon Bright. Pick out an extreme dot highlight with Dorn Yellow. And this is the finished result.